Hey, this is Daryl Henry with Insurance for Entrepreneurs, and this video is why does my business need professional liability insurance? I'm going to talk through 5 reasons why your business might need professional liability insurance, and I'm going to try and relate it to real life and situations that I've seen and tell some stories. So at the end, you should know if your business needs professional liability insurance and why, and maybe how much. So, first thing, why do you need professional liability insurance? Protection against lawsuits, which gets into, does your business need professional liability insurance? I recorded another video, what is professional liability? But in a nutshell, you need professional liability if you run a business where you might cause damage that could cause harm that's not direct physical damage or property damage, or you hurt somebody. It's when somebody's relying on you to provide a professional service. Consultants, managed IT service providers, insurance agents. We need professional liability insurance because people are coming to us for advice on what to do. And if we mess up, we cause financial harm, we cause loss of income, we can cause emotional damage, reputational damage. All that can be determined under the word and defined under the word wrongful acts, which is a word you'll see in professional liability insurance policies. So, the second reason why you might need professional liability insurance would be industry and client requirements. So, I'll see this with service providers in different jurisdictions. They'll be looking to get a contract or a grant with the city, and the city will send a contract and say, in order for us to send you money, you're going to have to show that you've got $1 million of professional liability insurance. I see this a lot with service providers for the intellectually and developmentally disabled, or schools or daycares. The city will want to see that, hey, if you failed to provide the correct level of service, we want to make sure you've got insurance in place to pay for those claims. The third reason why you might need professional liability insurance is if you determine you're in an industry that needs it, or maybe you got a city that needs it, or sometimes you may just want to safeguard your reputation. Because, in a nutshell, when we have lawsuits against us, or when you have lawsuits against you, it feels like it damages what people think about you in the community, or it damages your reputation. And what you need in order to preserve your reputation is money for a lawyer and money for a settlement to help make the situation go away. And insurance companies are in the business of paying for attorneys and paying for settlements. Now, we're not always happy with the decisions that they make, or how they settle the claim, or the decisions they make to make situations go away. That's part of the business, right? But at the end of the day, we still need to deal with those lawsuits and deal with those settlements. So, the fourth reason you might need professional liability insurance would be financial security. So, if you've determined you need professional liability insurance and you're working on a big contract, maybe you're an attorney and you're working with a large firm that's dealing with large dollar values, the potential outcome, the potential effect of you failing to do your work correctly could be very severe. Or if you're a managed IT if you're a managed IT service provider and you're working with doctors' offices and their network goes down because of work that you did, wow, there could be a lot of financial harm that comes out of that event. So, having an insurance policy in place to make sure that you are protected so that you're not going to have to pay for that out of pocket is a big deal, which this all leads into item number 5 of why you would buy professional liability insurance: peace of mind. When we buy insurance, this is one of the biggest things that we're buying. We're trying to sleep well at night because we know that we may not have millions of dollars in our pocket to deal with these situations. And we know that it might happen. It's not likely. We pray that it never does happen. But if it does, we want to keep going to work the next day. We want to make sure that the thing that butters our bread and makes sure that we're going to be able to make a living continues to exist. All right, I hope that was helpful. Those are 5 reasons why you might need professional liability insurance. And I tried to tie it back to your particular industry and help you understand if you might need it, why you might need it, and why it's worth paying for. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please hit like and subscribe. It helps other people like you find the content. And if you want to learn more about me, please go to my website at insuranceforentrepreneurs.net. It's got more content just like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please go build something great.